Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Today we're doing surprise, another unboxing, and I really enjoy doing these unboxings because I know it's like a cheaper box and all that, but it is products that I will use, unlike the Ipsy video that we just did. And it wasn't that good. Like, the products that are in this box, I know I'm going to use. So without further ado, they are the Target beauty boxes. Now, it is not a subscription. It is something that you have to go to the website in the beginning of the month and go and see if they've dropped. Generally, it is like by the 4th or the 5th, they are out. Normally, you have like 2 to 3 boxes to choose from, but sometimes it is only one. Now these are $7 most of the time, but I do have a Target card and I get to save 5%, so I pay $6.50 free shipping. And they're amazing, you guys. And not to mention, look at how cute these boxes are. They're adorable. So let's go ahead and get into it. I mean, when you order them, you can see what's there, but I always forget because I do a lot of the unboxings and stuff, so I couldn't tell you what's in here. And I haven't watched anybody's videos on them yet, so let's see what's in them. I'm excited. I love these boxes, and I keep these boxes because they're cute and they're useful. I use them all the time. I love the summer theme, so maybe we'll be able to be at a pool this summer. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so when you open it up, it always has a card and a corresponding color for the tissue paper is what it's called. And it is called Summer Hair and Skin Care. So it says, who doesn't love summer? Pool parties, weekend getaways, beach days. Talk about fun in the sun. To keep our complexions glowing and our strands silky shiny, these are the products we keep on deck during season, and you should too. So it comes with a $3 coupon and everything on the back. So let's get a sneaky peek in here. It's always packaged like beautifully. I save this tissue paper too for like the giveaways and stuff. So there is a sneak peek of what is in our box. The first item, I believe I just got, I don't know where I just got this. What did I get this in? I can't remember. Anyway, I know I just got this because I just went through my stuff. And this is, that's going to drive me nuts where I just got this from. Anyway, Even I, and it is Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This 10-in-1 multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shines, nourishes, soothes, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Did someone say hair magic? I love how it comes. You know what? It was Allure. Thank you. It was Allure because Allure did not tape down my serum and I lost like that much serum, but this did make it fine. So I love how they do this so that it doesn't leak all over the place. It keeps everything, you know, nice and sealed and keeps all your other products, you know, from getting wet and nasty. This does smell good. I like it a lot. I love primer things like this or leave-ins or any, you know, I love these things. Like for add-ons, I always go for those just because I love them so much. All right, I do have a couple of these too, and I give them to my son because he is a young adult now. He's turning into a young adult. But these are pore strips from Biore. And it says charcoal deep cleansing pore strips. Well, it's pore strip because it's one. Our charcoal pore strip can remove pore junk. That's a lot of P. Pure. Okay. Our charcoal pore strips can remove pore junk with just one strip. With natural charcoals, pore strips suck out deep down dirt, oil, and blackheads, leaving skin feeling fresh, clean, and less oily. I used to use these all the time as a teenager, so I'm always happy to pass these on to my son, and he loves them. So, all right, next item, another great item. So this is Not Your Mother's, and where are you? Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray with a tropical banana fragrance. Okay, so now I have to smell that. I don't eat bananas, but I love the smell of it. So now I have to open it and see if it actually does. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells like banana runts, you guys. Leave a comment down below if you know what I'm talking about when I say banana runts. All right, so let's read the description. It says, create effortless wind-swept waves with added hydration, formulated with dead sea salt and sea kelp to help create a tousled textured look with aloe extract to help hydrate and add softness to dry ends. These products are saying they do a lot. But I've never tried this, so I'm excited for this. I'm actually excited for that. Next item, another item I'm super excited for, and I love when they send these in the boxes because I get a couple uses out of this. Now this is, where are you? All right, Hask Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner Packet. This thing is filled to the brim, you guys, like filled. Formulated with organic argan oil, unique to Morocco to help reduce split ends and leave the most damaged hair soft and nourished. Like I save some of my empty tubs, like my Briogeo tubs or whatever, like the travel ones, and I pour this in there so it's easier to use. And this will last, the way this one is filled, does it say how much is in here? 1.75 ounces of product in this. This will last probably like 5 different things. I mean, probably. I mean, I have enough decent hair here that, you know, it takes a lot of product. Maybe 4, but this is full. All right, moving on. We have a lot of products in here this time. This is from CeraVe, which is a good lotion skincare kind of company. And it is, oh, it's a sunscreen. Hydrating mineral sunscreen lotion for face SPF 50. 100% mineral oil-free sunscreens forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface to reflect the sun's rays and is formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help lock in moisture. Is it sealed? Is it sealed? Is it sealed? It is! What? It's actually sealed, you guys. Target's killing it. Target's knocking Ipsy out the park. Knocking it out the park. All right, we are down to our last 2 items. And this I've had before, and it smells super good. It is a spray, a face spray. Where are you? Heritage Store Rose Water Spray, made with only 2 ingredients, which is Hydro Essential Rose and Vor Mag, VOR-MAG water. This product is as simple as it is versatile. Uses cult classic staple as a facial mist to calm redness, soften skin, and set makeup. It is heavily scented with rose, but it is nice. I do like it. All right, last item in this box is a dry shampoo. What? Okay. I did not know that Collab was at Target. Although I don't have a Target near me. I have to travel 40 minutes to get to it. But this is Collab Original Dry Shampoo. Collab is a global multi-award winning dry shampoo brand. The unique formula is not only lightweight but powerful too, so it can effectively and invisibly absorb oil, leaving hair feeling clean, soft, and beautifully fragranced. Boom. Let's see if it is fragranced. Let's see, I'm gonna scare the guinea pigs behind me. Watch, they'll probably jump. Yep. All right, it smells like dry shampoo, but not bad. All right, so we're recapping this box. We have our dry shampoo, we have our spray, we have 2 hair products, we have the CeraVe, we have a lot of hair mask, and we have the charcoal strip. So moving on to this next box, let's see. And this is the umbrella looking one, super cute. Let's see what's in this one. Get out of here. All right, and when you open it, sunscreen queen. So I'm guessing there is going to be some sunscreen products in here. Sneak peek it. Oh, there goes my dog. And there's that. So it says sunscreen queen. Summer, is that you? Is it you? Is it you, Summer? Sunnier days are right around the corner, and if you're anything like us, you probably have your beach bag ready to go. Flip-flops, check. Straw hat, of course. Sunnies, duh. And can't forget the SPF. But we know finding the right sunscreen is trickier than it seems. Thankfully, we did the dirty work for you. Here are the brands we rely on to keep our skin sun ready all season long. And again, $3 coupon and the products in the box. And this is full. This is like for $6.50, you guys. $7 if you don't have a Target card. But come on. All right. First product is Botanical Sunscreen 50 Broad Spectrum SPF 50. So it says, which one is this? Botanical. Where are you? Australian. Okay. Australian Gold Botanical Sunscreen SPF 50 Mineral Lotion. I just said that. This sunscreen delivers antioxidant-rich UVA and UVB protection with non-whitening matte finish. I just seen somebody on YouTube talking about this at a TJ Maxx, and they found it and they absolutely love this. So I'm excited for that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known anything about that. But she did just, and I don't remember her name, but it was a TJ Maxx video. And as we know, we can't get into TJ Maxx. So the first person that posted it, of course I was on that video watching it. All right, we have another CeraVe sunscreen, little guy. But this stuff's expensive, so that's why it's in little packaging. Ultralight moisturizing face lotion with sunscreen SPF 30. Lightweight oil-free moisturizer provides broad spectrum protection with a matte finish that won't clog pores, plus contains hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and 3 essential ceramides to help restore the skin's natural barrier. This has hyaluronic acid in it. What? All right, we have a little foil thingy from La Roche. I don't know how to say that. And I'm not about to make a fool of myself. So it is Anthelios Melt-In Sunscreen Milk SPF 60. Non-greasy, fast-absorbing sunscreen for the face and body is formulated with Cell Ox Shield technology, which provides broad-spectrum UVA, UVB protection and with antioxidants. Okay. Next item. I'm trying to go through this kind of quickly because it's all sunscreens, but it is kind of interesting. And for $7, come on. Bare Republic. Never heard of this. Mineral Shimmer Holographic Shimmer Stick SPF 50. Holographic shimmery sunscreen made with non-nano zinc oxide and blended with sustainable light reflecting mica provides an on-the-go healthy glow. That's pretty cool. Okay. And it's water resistant, free of chemical sunscreen actives. Reflect your inner sparkle with a holographic shimmery radiance. Okay, that's kind of cool. We have, wow, you gotta be kidding me. This is a nice, like, on-the-go size right here. Look at that. That's pretty big. Let me give you something that you can compare it to. Sneak peek for my haul video. There we go. I just got this puppy today. But there you go. At least you can see how tall that actually is. All right, so Sun Bum Original Sunscreen Spray SPF 30 Ultra Sheer Dry Spray Continuous Spray Formula delivers broad spectrum protection while enriching skin with vitamin E. So what? And this last thing, what? You gotta be kidding me. This is an expensive brand, and look at this. Rock Multi Correxon, is that what that says? Correct, okay. 5-in-1 Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer SPF 30. 5-in-1 Daily Moisturizer is clinically proven to fight signs of aging, protect against UVA, UVB rays, and firm skin for more youthful and radiant appearance in only 4 weeks. Now that is a claim. Let's see how big this actually, it feels full. Okay, so they get you a little bit, but what? In a $7 box? That's not bad, you guys. That's a pretty decent size. That is 1.7 fluid ounces. All right, let's recap our $7 sunscreen Target May 2020 box. So we have our Rock product. We have the Sun Bum spray. What? another CeraVe product. We have a sunscreen milk, which I've never heard of. We have a holographic sunscreen, which is pretty cool. And we have this Australian Gold, again, for $7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. And then, how many was in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. $1 a product. You can't go wrong, you guys. So if you like what you see, definitely go check out Target every beginning of the month and see if you can get your hands on one of those. I definitely say it is worth it. Plus, you get to look at it if you're interested in knowing what's in the box before you buy it. You get to look at it. So, I mean, it's a really good deal, you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. Please leave me a comment down below on what you thought about these boxes and if you really like them, because I enjoy them a lot. But anyway, don't forget, leave that comment, hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do upload. And have a fantastic day, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.